Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Mother's Day for the second time today. Well, by the time this video gets done, it might be the day after Mother's Day. Who knows? It's also craft every day in May. So aside from my 2-card tutorial Saturday and Sunday, I felt like I needed to still do a craft because I really filmed them on Friday. I know, blah, 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 blah. But yesterday was such a special day for me. My youngest graduated college with his beautiful girlfriend, Shannon. They actually met, I think, on the first couple of days of freshman year of college, and they have been together ever since. So let's see if I can get it with that. Look how cute they are. So when they were taking their senior photos, I asked them if they wouldn't mind asking the photographer if they can do a couple picture. And honestly, my kid did it. And they did. They took couple pictures. So aside from being solo, they took their couple photo. Isn't that awesome? God, I love them. So instead of buying the actual photo package, they let me buy the digital package. And now I own all the digital prints. It cost $100, but that's okay. So I actually went to the Dollar Tree this morning, and you've seen that haul, with my mother-in-law. So without her knowing, because she's still here, I'm going to put this picture in here for her. I haven't picked out my frame yet because I think I want to buy a frame that I can put his graduation cap in, because they didn't have to return their caps and gowns. Yeah, I didn't know that. They get to keep their cap and gown. So I figure I'm going to throw in a couple of pictures from yesterday in this video. Share my little happiness because it made me extremely proud. Vinny actually graduated cum laude, and Shannon actually graduated summa cum laude. So they both graduated with honors. And Vinny said to me yesterday, "Ma, had I known freshman year," he says, "I would have tried a little harder." I think he would have liked magna cum laude. He would have liked that. He's an overachiever, this child. So I decided to pick this out and put this together for my mother-in-law. And if I like the way it comes out, I might have to run back to the Dollar Tree and get it for myself. Oh, look at that. What grandmother wouldn't love that? My mom is in heaven, so my sons only have one grandma. Actually, my mom has been in heaven since I was 3. But she's still part of my everyday life. She's in my heart. And actually, I have to tell you, Vinny looks just like my mom. Yeah, Vin looks just like my mom. I'm gonna have to include that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Thanks, guys, for letting me brag a little. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But look how easy. I hope this, I hope this is part crafting, because I printed out the picture myself. But this is so sweet. That's Vinny Man. Yeah, we call him Vinny Man. So then what I was thinking was this. You know how the other day at the Dollar Tree I hauled these, and I said I wanted to put the family pictures in them so that I could stick them onto the refrigerator because they're magnets. So that's why I picked out these. Actually, these are still a little wet. I should have waited for them to dry. But I was so excited about doing this craft. Yeah, it's leaving a mark. Shoot. You know what? I'm going to cut it with the scissor. I mean, these are only for the fridge. But I was so proud yesterday. Can I tell you that it was, I had a beautiful spring blouse all picked out, sleeveless. I was ready for, you know, a beautiful day. It was 41 degrees, raining, and freezing. We actually had our winter coats on. There were people, it was an outdoor overhang graduation. People were freezing. I actually took my coat off and gave it to Shannon's grandma, who's going to be 80, so that she would be warm. But wait, look how cute. Isn't that cute how they did that? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So that's my little quick DIY for the day. So proud. And today's Mother's Day, and he actually wrote me a long Mother's Day card, and I haven't read it yet because I'm afraid it's going to make me cry. We had a beautiful day at a beautiful restaurant today. And yesterday we had we celebrated with Shannon's family at a restaurant that was farm to table, which was pretty cool. It's the second time I've been at one of those, because not for nothing, I consider my own home a farm to table restaurant. Our meat is grown or raised locally. So, all right, I'm not going to bore you with the rest of these. I'll just finish them up and I'll take a picture of them. But I hope everybody has a wonderful Sunday. I hope you had a wonderful Mother's Day. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Look, they finished. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that bell, right? That bell is really important, because if you like what you see or you like hanging out with me, when you hit that bell, it'll let you know when I post a video. But everybody, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for watching. And I will see you all real soon. Love it. All right. Bye, everybody.